Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you feeling a bit off lately? Maybe a little more tired than usual, or have you noticed your skin and eyes turning a shade yellower? If that rings a bell, you might want to hear what I've got to say about revitalizing one of your most hardworking organs, your liver. Now, before we dive deep, let's talk about why your liver might be under stress. Common symptoms of liver toxicity include not just the yellowing of your skin and eyes, but also nausea, vomiting, red dots on the skin, and just feeling wiped out most of the time. Sound familiar? Well, don't worry, because I'm here to tell you about a little miracle worker for your liver health, NAC, or N-acetyl cysteine. So what's the deal with NAC? This powerhouse supplement is essential for battling the harmful effects of our everyday vices and environmental toxins. We're talking alcohol, smoking, the occasional pain reliever like ibuprofen, and yes, even exposure to things like pesticides and fungicides. NAC steps into the ring by enhancing what's called Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification in your liver, transforming dangerous fat-soluble toxins into harmless water-soluble particles. Pretty neat, right? But wait, there's more. Not only does NAC help cleanse your liver, it also helps regenerate liver tissue and prevents the self-destruction of liver cells. And if you're looking for the ultimate liver health booster, let me introduce you to ImuRegen. Developed after decades of research in Europe, ImuRegen is packed with all the essential amino acids, including cysteine, to help repair and regenerate your cells. Now here's the science about our DNA, which holds the blueprint for the structure and function of our entire body, plays a key role in guiding our cells to repair and regenerate those damaged liver cells caused by toxicity. Imagine that. Your body has its own way of bouncing back to health, with a little help from these supplements. Remember though, always consult with your physician before adding any new supplement to your health routine. Want to dive deeper into how ImuRegen can help you achieve optimal health and vitality? Check out the links in the description box below. And hey, if you found this information useful, why not subscribe and hit that notification bell for more health video updates. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your health, recharged and revitalized. Stay tuned in the next segment to take a peek on the science and power of ImuRegen when it comes to cellular repair and cell regeneration.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you ImuRegen. Imu represents immunity and Regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. ImuRegen supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.